What are stem cells? The unique human cells known as stem cells are the source from which all other cells with distinct roles are derived. These cells may repair damaged tissues and range in kind from brain to muscle cells. Will the doctor prescribe any medication? During stem cell therapy, doctors typically advise patients to circulate their stem cells and improve their supplement regimen post-treatment rather than prescribing medicine. How long will you be staying in India to receive treatment? The length of stay in India for the stem cell therapy procedure is around 4 to 5 days, including flights. Which medical procedures do you provide? While our primary area of expertise is stem cell therapy, we also provide several additional therapies, such as spinal cord stimulation, liver disease treatment, anti-aging treatment, lung disease treatment, and many more to our patients worldwide. We are committed to offering our patients the highest caliber care at a fair cost. What is the price of treatment? We can determine the true cost of the therapy after examining the patient's application and prior records, as each procedure might have a variable cost. The price of the treatment will include every amenity provided to the patients, such as lodging, transportation, airline reservations, breakfast, taxis, and much more. Please email us or give us a call at the number provided if you would like additional information about the therapy. How long does it take to observe outcomes? Every patient is unique, with varying physical characteristics, so some may heal quickly, while others may require more time. We thus do not commit any patient to any certain outcome or timeframe for recovery. While every patient reacts to stem cell therapy differently, several of our patients who had the same therapy saw improvements within 6 months of going back to their homes. How much time will it take to schedule a meeting? A group of knowledgeable and experienced representatives at Global Regenex evaluate every inquiry and get in touch with the patients right away. Following that, they could ask you to provide your medical documents. Thus, your appointment will be scheduled in accordance with the approval of your reports by the physicians. You will receive an email informing you if our therapists decide not to accept your reports. Do stem cells have any risks or adverse effects? Indeed, one of the safest therapies with the fewest adverse effects is stem cell therapy. Less than 10% of patients have complained about having a mild fever, headache, nausea or vomiting that goes away in less than a day, according to the report. How can I apply a therapy using Global Regenex? To be considered for stem cell therapy at Global Regenex, all you have to do is complete the online application. As soon as we get your application, we will either call you or send you a confirmation email. What kind of outcomes might I anticipate from my treatment? At Global Regenex, we are committed to providing patients with the highest caliber stem cell therapy that has no adverse effects. Studies also indicate that there are very few negative side effects from stem cell treatment.